Greetings, Gatewood Gators. This is Miss Emma, your garden coordinator. I wanted to welcome all of you kiddos back to school and celebrate the fact that we are having our very first monthly bonus of the school year, our September monthly bonus. I am tuning into our very own school garden in our Tomatopia land because I wanted to ask one great question. Is tomato a fruit or is it a vegetable? Let's figure it out. I am here to tell you that whether you're team fruit or team vegetable, you're both correct. You can argue both ways, and actually in our history, many people have. If you were to speak to a botanist, which is a plant scientist, they will argue that tomato is a fruit through and through because it develops from the flower of the plant. Now, the thing about it is that a lot of people don't consider tomatoes fruits because when you think about it in a culinary perspective, which is a food, a cooking perspective, it's usually treated like a vegetable. The history of whether tomatoes are a fruit or vegetable goes way back, even in our United States history. In 1893, the High Court was forced to rule whether tomatoes being brought into the country were considered a fruit or a vegetable. There was a tax that was being put only on vegetables and not fruits. And although both sides argued about whether it was team fruit or team vegetable, guess which one? Team vegetable. So even though those botanists might be arguing that, hey, tomato is a fruit, the United States calls it a vegetable. Really be scientific about it and argue that tomatoes are fruits, then there are going to be some other vegetables that actually qualify as fruits under that definition. That anything that grows on a plant and it's the means by which that plant gets its seed out into the world as a fruit, that would also include every kind of pepper, cucumbers, pumpkins and squash, okra, string beans, eggplant, olives, avocados, and even corn. So if you're a botanist, those are all types of fruits, but if you're just a foodie like me, I call those vegetables. Either way, everyone's right. Thanks for joining and tune in next week for our October monthly bonus edition.